how to get a private server in Roblox Rivals. Go to your Roblox website, search for Rivals in Experiences, and then you want to open up the games page. From here, what you have to do is go into Servers, and you will see that the private servers are free to make. Click on Create Private Server. You want to set a name for it. I'm gonna do Rivals Server, and you want to click on Buy Now. Okay, so now it's going to show us this. You have successfully bought the Rivals private server, and you can either customize it or not now. Let's just click on Customize. Right here, allow joining. If this is toggled on, people will be able to join you. And also, you can enable connections and add people manually, or you can also generate a server link here and people can put this in their browser to play. Now, that's basically how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.